Welcome. In this quick and easy guide, we're going to walk through how to allow photos access on Telegram. Whether you're trying to send pictures, save media, or share moments with your friends, this simple setting makes it possible. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all app permissions and preferences are controlled. You'll usually find the settings icon right on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap to open it. Next, scroll down and look for the option called Apps, or sometimes App Management, depending on your device. This section lists every app installed on your phone. Once you're there, take a moment to find the Telegram app. When you've found Telegram, tap on it to open its app info page. This is where you can manage storage, notifications, and most importantly, permissions. Look for the option that says Permissions and tap it to continue. Inside the Permissions menu, you'll see all the different features that Telegram may need access to, things like your camera, microphone, and files. What we need right now is the Photos and Videos option. Tap on it. You'll see a few choices here. Select Allow to grant Telegram access to your photos and videos. Once you do this, the app will be able to send, receive, and display images properly, just as it should. That's it. You've now successfully given Telegram permission to access your photos. This simple change can fix issues where media won't load, or when you can't share pictures directly from your gallery. With this setting turned on, Telegram will work seamlessly with your media, making chatting and sharing much smoother. If you ever change your mind, you can always follow these same steps to switch permissions back. It's that easy. Thanks for watching.